Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, is this the only way you can add extra socket to the wall? Now, I think this is something in the past. We don't do this anymore in this era, isn't it? So I'm going to show you something called the power track. There you go. It looks so nice, isn't it? You just turn it and then you can actually remove it and turn it around. And there's a light on it. So before we get started, make sure you actually switch off the circuit breaker. So one circuit breaker for that particular socket. This is what recommended. So I bought this Rivia power socket. This is called power track, okay, to add it over here to the wall. There's only one socket, it's not enough. And I mean, a measurement is roughly 60 cm, should be good enough. So I actually bought the 50 cm version, so that the total length is actually 60 centimeter. Because on the left and right, you need to have wiring, isn't it? The connector wiring on the left hand side. So first, use a test pen and just pry it to remove the cover. There you go. Now there's actually a notch here. Just push in your test pen and just pry it out. There you go. Then remove the two mounting screw. And then make sure you switch off the circuit breaker. So I'm going to test it with a test pen. Make sure there are no power running. There's no power. I've just switched it on earlier. We have shown you. Then only I just remove the wire, tape it using insulation or electrical tape. And then I'm going to unbox this power track by Rivia. Well, this Rivia version by Sensor. Okay, it comes with the mounting screw and also the bracket. I mean the wall plug and also the black color screw, right? That's important. Now this is actually 60 centimeter. But when you buy, they actually advertise 50 cm because this 50 cm here, there you go, it's where the track you can actually slide this socket left to right. So how many can you fit on to this 50 cm version? 3, 4, 5. I think 5 is good enough, but actually maximum you can fit up to 6 socket. Maximum 32 ampere drawn. Okay, so depends on your space that you have. If you have roughly 60 centimeter, then get a 50 centimeter version. Okay, because you need to have 5 cm on the left and right. So let's unbox it. Please read the instruction given. Now this video serves as an entertainment purpose. Actually, I didn't show you the actual way how to wire the power track because I'm worried that you did it wrongly and then get electrocuted and that's a bad thing happen. Also, this is actually meant for entertainment purpose only. You see how things are being installed. That's why you watch YouTube, right? Watching YouTube does not make you to be a certified electrician. So this is the cover. I mean, just remove the one on the right hand side because I'm going to install this on the right hand side. The wiring is on the right hand side. So make sure I've leveled it. Make sure the bubble is at the center here. Okay, and then mark 2 marking. That's where I'm going to drill a hole and the mounting screw will go into. There you go, 1, 2 to the pencil. Now this is actually a tiles drill bit, or we call mosaic tiles drill bit. So first I'm going to make a drill, make a hole so that it does not crack my tiles. Okay, this is a mosaic drill bit, a very special drill bit for tiles only. Then once you have seen the debris coming out from the hole, you change the drill bit to this type of drill bit. Okay, to make a hole, and I have a wet cloth to catch the debris coming out from the wall, the bricks wall. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward. There are 2 holes you need to make, one on the left, one on the right. That's not shown in this video. I just shown you one. This is how you make it. And then the wall plug is provided. So the screw is black color so that you won't see the silver color when it's hanging there, right? That's so nice, so beautiful, isn't it? They give you the black color screw because normally you buy from a hardware store, they don't sell the black color screw, they only have the silver color version. So just mount it in, make sure it's you level it properly, okay? And then you can check with the level spirit ruler. Okay, then the wiring here, and then live it's red, neutral it's black, earth is green. Okay, got to do the wiring. Make sure when you tighten the screw, you don't over tighten it until you break the copper wire. Okay, cover it, and there you go. Now that's the trick. Yeah, this video is meant for entertainment purpose only. I didn't show you how to do the wiring. Make sure when you tighten your screw, you don't over tighten it until it breaks the copper wire connector. Okay, turn it counterclockwise. Okay, you can slide it along left and right, depends on the position. And shown you earlier, you can actually fit 6 sockets for this 50 centimeter variant. Okay, it comes with 3 to 4 variant, from 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 60 centimeter to even 100 centimeter. So it depends on your space. Okay, that's how it goes. Let me turn on the circuit breaker so you can see this thing is working. The light, just turn it clockwise. There you go, blue color means there are power coming out. Right now in the market they have the LED version, right? But it's not necessary for me. But if this video helps you, remember to subscribe to my channel. Appreciate a thumbs up. Bye bye.